Hello guys, this is Samsung Galaxy A02s quick unboxing. This one comes with 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. I will show you that right now. You can see that 3 RAM, 64 GB of internal storage. This is the box of this great device, and you can see that Galaxy on the side. And I will quickly, just cut this here. I don't have some great knife, but still this one will work the job, I think. Or I will cut the hole. No, everything is fine for now. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Slightly problems here, and I will cut my finger. That's it. I will cut other side. And that's pretty much it. Here's the box. Just move that to the side. We don't need that more. Right now we have this, we'll move that up here. This is some papers inside. Yeah, nothing special, nothing we really care about. And here is the device. We'll just move that up here. So we will do that next. Here are the earphones. You can see standard one with 3.5 millimeter jack. We don't need that also because we have everyone wireless headset. This one is micro. This is micro, type of cable. It's not USB type C, which is really bad. We also don't need that, just kidding. And here is the standard brick from Samsung. Nothing too great. Right now, let's move everything on that side. And here is the phone by itself. I will just, you can see the background of this device. It's really great. I will just move everything for you because I don't want to touch this plastic. I want to have that fully, something like this. We change that, we remove that, and here is the device. Really great. Let's quickly power them on. First boot up Samsung Galaxy A02. Look at the side, there is the home button, volume and power. This is the power button, this is the volume up and volume down. On the top we don't have anything. Here is for micro SD card and 2 SIM cards. There is micro USB, charging port, and for this headphones 3.5 millimeter jack. Here is the only one speaker, which is just normal for this device, and here are the really I will not say it's really cheap, but it doesn't, it's not that great if you ask me, but it's not that much of cheap. And here we are. Let's just go with quick. I want to take everything. Let's go, my friend. What are you doing? Skip. Everything skip. Don't copy. If you want to copy some data, we'll just pass this screen and accept everything from Google because we must do that. We don't must, but I don't, you can agree even, but they will just ask for that after, start. Let's wait. Of course, this one is a really slow device and we don't expect to be much faster in this setup, but still, we are in. Let's just give him some time so here for fully boot up. And guys, that's pretty much it. If you're new to the channel, sub will be really amazing because you are the only one who can help me out to reach that 14k goal. And that's pretty much it. Let's wait for this device to be boot up. And that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one. Peace.